Hey guys, welcome back to Xander Dreams, where we discuss everything business and entrepreneurship. So, in today's video, we're taking a look at creative packaging ideas to impress your customers. In today's competitive market, it's important to stand out from the crowd and leave a lasting impression on your customers. One way to do that is through your product packaging. So, let's get started with some creative ideas that will make your packaging stand out. Alright, so our first idea is to use customized packaging. Consider using packaging that is unique to your brand and product. You can add your logo, brand colors, and other creative elements that represent your brand. This way, your packaging will become a recognizable part of your brand identity. The second idea is to use sustainable packaging. With the growing concern for the environment, more and more customers are looking for eco-friendly packaging options. You can use biodegradable or recyclable materials for your packaging. This will not only impress your customers, but it will also show that your brand is socially responsible. The third idea is to add a personal touch to your packaging. You can include handwritten notes, thank you cards, or other small gifts with your product. This will make your customers feel appreciated and valued. They will be more likely to become loyal customers and recommend your brand to others. The fourth idea is to use innovative packaging designs. You can experiment with different shapes, sizes, and textures to create packaging that stands out. For example, you can use transparent packaging to showcase your product, or you can use a unique folding technique to create an interesting opening experience. The fifth and final idea is to use interactive packaging. You can include QR codes, augmented reality, or other interactive elements that engage your customers. This will create a memorable experience for your customers and make them more likely to remember your brand. Remember, your packaging is the first thing your customers see, so make sure it represents your brand and creates a memorable experience. By using customized, sustainable, personalized, innovative, and interactive packaging, you can leave a lasting impression on your customers and stand out in the market. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found these ideas helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Until next time, guys. See you. Bye.